Alright, so we're here at the office spot on Sunday. What a surprise. You got Lee, Outcast, subbing. You got Shano, Unleashed Adventures. Sub that dude. He's got some mad videos. 4 stacks of charm, eh?
I need a restart, I guess it's how it goes. Running out of feelings like the minutes on my phone. The game is out of order. I'm saving my last quarter to play with you. To play with you. I give it, you take it. I'm getting closer to breaking. We're playing games like every night until it's time to say goodbye. We both know that it's not right, but we still do it every time. With every game over, we get a little closer. Game over. Game over. I need a fresh start, somebody new to blame. I gotta level up, cause every time it feels the same. The game is kinda broken, saving my last token to play with you. To play with you. I give it, you take it. I'm getting closer to breaking. We're playing games like every night until it's time to say goodbye. We both know that it's not right, but we still do it every time. With every game over, we get a little closer. Game over. Game over.
Yeah, one quad didn't work. Well, it worked, but backwards motor, so I didn't fly it. The other quad's got a shaky camera. Don't forget to fix it, Pinky. Just do your reference. And
You'll still watch this video and not even pick up on that. You'll be like, oh, that's just...
yeah, skip it. Mute the audio. Alright, fuck it. Let's go home.